Aviation Group, born to fly. Aviation Group has been launched with the calling to become an international leader in comprehensive aeronautical training. We take off thanks to Rey Juan Carlos University and its European Institute for Training and Accreditation, EATA. This prestigious entity coordinates our training courses and guarantees their quality. Your professional future within the world of aeronautics starts at Fuenlabrada's campus hangar number 6, within facilities that have it all: specialised trainers, classrooms, workshops, equipment, tools, simulators, for both those who are just getting started and those who have many flying hours under their belt and are looking for continuous training programs. A pioneering experience which combines all of our sector's areas of training within a single physical space within a higher education academic context. We are not flying alone. Thanks to our alliances with industry, service companies, organisations and entities from the technological and aeronautical sector, we can offer the best training solution for each field of work within the world of civil and military aviation. Master's degrees validated by the Rey Juan Carlos University, Superior Technician in Aeromechanic and Avionic Maintenance, Aeronautical Maintenance licenses, Plane Pilot, Cabin Crew Training for Commercial Flights, Professional Certificates, Drone Pilot Operator, and extracurricular activities, amongst others. Training is certified thanks to the official accreditations from the various regulatory bodies in Spain: Air Safety State Agency, AESA, the Ministry of Education, or the state's Public Employment Service, amongst others. We take full advantage of everything technology has to offer in order to provide more accessible, appealing and motivating training courses with methodology which is fully adapted to each student's profile. We use simulations as the best didactic tool to foster learning and facilitate progress analysis and assessment. Our ambitious flight plan implies responding with new training courses to the market's new demands and listening to students and companies with the aim of growing together and becoming the sector's benchmark for comprehensive aeronautical training companies. Thanks to our crew's motivation, the motivation of everyone who works at Aviation Group on a daily basis, we have been able to create a technical professional training campus of the highest calibre. It is unique in the world, and it complements and unifies all the areas of training within a sector with great career opportunities. If, like us, you were born to fly, fasten your seatbelt, sit behind the control panel, and book your runway, because your future will take off with Aviation Group.